In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar aesthetic 2025. Step by step. Open Google Calendar in your browser to get started. On the left sidebar, you'll see your list of calendars. We're going to give your main calendar a softer, cohesive look so events pop without feeling cluttered. Hover over the calendar you want to style and click the three dots that appear. This opens the color menu. To see the full palette, click the small plus sign. This reveals the custom color picker. Choose a lighter pastel tone, something that's easy on the eyes but still readable. Softer colors work especially well in month view because they don't overpower your screen. Once you're happy with the shade, click Save. That's it for the base color. Your calendar now has a cleaner, more aesthetic foundation. Next, let's create a visually distinctive event. Click Create at the top left, then choose Event. In the title field, we'll add an emoji to make the entry stand out at a glance. Click into the title box. To open the emoji panel on Windows 10 or 11, press the Windows key plus period or the Windows key plus semicolon. The emoji picker will appear so you can search and select quickly. For example, if you're making a lunch appointment, look for a food-related emoji, like a fork and knife, a sandwich, or a salad. Select a food emoji first, then type your event name, such as lunch. Placing the emoji at the beginning of the title helps it act like a visual tag, making it easier to scan your schedule. Keep emojis relevant to the event so your calendar stays functional, not just decorative. Now set your date and time. Click the date field to pick the exact day and adjust the start and end times to match your plans. If it's a simple midday appointment, choose the hour and keep it consistent so recurring meals or breaks line up nicely on your grid when everything looks right. Click Save. You'll notice the event adopts your calendar's new color, and the emoji makes it instantly recognizable. If you want a consistent aesthetic across multiple calendars, repeat the color adjustment for each one, using tones from the same palette family. Aim for contrast that remains accessible and legible, especially in week view. That's the whole process. Choose a lighter calendar color, create the event, add a fitting emoji, set the date and time, and save. With a few thoughtful choices, your Google Calendar becomes both beautiful and effortless to navigate.